Good morning. We're starting with the railing. So I just took off the old wire. Yeah. Now you can really fall down if you're not careful.
This is the Super Ego. Says it right here, Super Ego. This is a tool to cut pipe. Usually
and
for
that's our motto for the week.
Cut pipes. This is a zinc coated steel pipe. I think, and this is what we're going to use for our handrail, for our sea rail. So this specifically is used to elongate our stanchions. Then we have a slightly bigger pipe that we use as a handrail. What we're doing now is we're cutting these elongation posts. So they're going to get 7 centimeters into the old post, and then another 16 to increase the height. So we're going to have a smooth, probably 82 centimeter high sea rail.
Yes, and that's our project for the new week.
That's why the masks are here.
It's a big project. Let's see how far we get. It will be super nice if that will be done soon. Yes.
Now that thing just uses the force from being screwed in with this little wheel to press the sides of metal and create the cut.
Too much.
I need to hold.
So we have this extension, and now the big question is if it fits in there. And I think it's way too fat.
Yeah, but that one is rusty.
Yeah, but it's not that much rust.
Should have worked.
Ja, doch. Look. It's
Alright, so without rust and without zinc,
that's it.
that's it. Maybe with a freshly cut off one without rust, it will fit a bit better. But yeah, this works. So the thing that's happening now is the sea rail is getting replaced, hopefully this week. So the stanchions, the caps need to go. And once the cap has gone, I can test if the extensions actually fit. So flexi time. Careful now. The question is, do I need to polish the zinc here? It's polished here for the welding, but this is the part that goes into the stanchion tube. Zinc needs to go. This side works, this side doesn't. More scrubbing. Alright, the zinc is off. Let's see. I'm almost certain that with a few hammer strikes this will fit.
So let me tell you a bit about this sea rail project. The boat came with a normal yacht sea rail. That means a 60 centimeter high cable rail. but 2 of the 4 cables were already broken, so we anyway had to replace something. Now, quite a few of the boats that we sailed on before had a fixed sea rail, and that felt so much safer and more practical. And also, we do have a big, strong steel boat, so we expected also to look a lot cooler with a fixed sea rail. So the decision was made quite easily. We went to the steel shop and bought synced steel pipes, 6 pieces of 6 meters in length, so a total of 36 meters of pipe. Crazy. And now luckily we have the old extensions that are still very good, so we can just weld on extensions and don't have to weld in the hull. So here we go. Let's hope it will turn out as cool as we imagine it to be. So have a look at that. It's the boat without the railing. Yeah. Now don't fall. And Robert is preparing the poles for putting in the extension and being able to weld it on.